What is up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are out exploring an abandoned building. This is the first time on the channel. Unfortunately, I don't have my Nazgul. I did go ahead and crash that one, and then I broke the arm on it. So we are going to be using the Cinebot for now. The arm should be here next week or sometime, and we'll be back up in the air with that one. It is about to rain. I don't know if you guys see that behind me, but it's kind of drizzling right now. So I kind of do want to shoot this pretty, get this thing in the air as quick as I can. But check out the location. This building is pretty long. I was literally getting something to eat, and then I was like, oh shit, look at this place. So now I'm here, and I'm just gonna send this bad boy in the air, and we're just gonna go explore a little bit. So without further ado, let's put it in the air before it starts pouring down. If it starts pouring down, bro, I'm gonna have to pack up shop real quick. But like I said, we're flying the Cinebot. We got the GoPro bones on it. So let's go ahead and put it in the air. The one thing that I don't know what happened. I switched this thing to Crossfire, and my freaking OSD, your on-screen display, it is not showing up. So for the battery, you usually get the low battery indicator, land. I don't get any of those notifications. Wow, look at this. Should I go in? I guess we're going in. Leave a comment down below. What do you guys think this building is? It used to be, or whatever you have. There's stairs. I don't know how this is gonna look on cam, because I am rocking the ND filter. But this definitely was like a commercial building. You can definitely tell. They had all the plumbing. I think maybe the funding didn't go through, or sometimes investors might back out. Trying to... How the hell did I come in over here? Wow. This thing is so crazy. I feel like it's so slow compared to my Nazgul. But yeah, it sucks I freaking crashed that thing. I was coming down like a tree. Well, no. I was flying above the trees, not even. Probably 60 feet in the air. And my battery disconnected from the quad. And lost connection. Then, obviously this arm didn't have any power to it. Laying it right on the arm. And that was that. But what I think happened is I was pushing the Nazgul that day. I was just flying around my house, and I was really pushing it a lot, pack after pack, and it was probably 85 degrees outside, really hot. And my XT60 battery connector on the actual quad got really hot, and it made the batteries really loose, the connection to the XT60 really loose, and it just slid right out. And that's what I think happened. Everything else is fine on the quad. It's just literally the arm that broke. So pretty interesting. Let's try to go in here. I'm not even gonna say it, but I don't want to have to go in here to pick up the quad. So I'm just gonna take it easy. We're just exploring. That looks like a big ass snake, guys. Yeah, that thing right there. Oh, I thought that was a snake. Wow, you can see all the... Bro, they had a pool in here? Holy shit. Was this an apartment or some shit? I swear that was a pool. You guys saw that. I'll come back over there. Let's try to wiggle our way through. This to the second level. Yeah, I don't know what the hell this thing used to be though. Big windows. I wanted to make sure that thing wasn't filled up, you know. All right, we're gonna have to land. See, look, I almost forgot. I'm gonna go ahead and land, change pack, and we'll put it back in the air. But I don't wanna, you know, be low battery on the inside of there, and it wouldn't be a good day. Hopefully you guys can see me. I might be a little backlit. We're gonna go ahead and take off here and go explore that pool area. That was pretty cool. I feel like this battery is so much more alive. I do need to get a thumbnail of like the whole building. Check it out. See, here's the pool. This is a pool, yeah, this is definitely a pool. It's pretty cool. I don't want to go like too far deep in here because it's kind of dark. So we're just gonna go back. We'll go explore the outside a little bit. I don't think we've been on this side of the outside that much. Like, this is a pretty big, you know, piece of land. I didn't know there was water right there. But yeah, pretty decent sized piece of land, like a big project, and just went to waste, it looks like. I wonder what could have happened. Let me get a nice thumbnail pic for you guys. I'm gonna have to go out really far. Thumbnail, I had to get it. But yeah, we're just out here cruising around. I mean, I think this is a freaking children's, like, daycare or whatever. I might need to tighten my GoPro down. You know, I'm rocking the bones, of course, and, the GoPro might be a little loose. So yeah, I'm literally trying to like piece this together in my head. Like, what could this building have been? Like, you got a hallway right here. This is obviously a little hallway. Check that out. Ha! That looks sick. You can make like some. Oh, that was close. You can make some pretty dope videos, I feel, in here. Imagine shooting like a music video in here. I don't know like what song you would put to this, but this would be pretty cool, I feel. You know, you kind of just come out, do the pan. Wow. Should I gap this hole right here? Holy shit. That went pretty deep down there. You guys saw that? I couldn't really hold it. I'll try to hold it. Let me show you. This isn't the most powerful quad. And then look, there's a whole parking lot out back. Bro, this had to be like a housing or... I don't know. It could have been taller. Like, this could have been a really tall building. And they just had to stop right here. But they had massive parking lot right there. Yeah, I'm lost. I don't know. We'll rip a little bit more over here. We'll probably go one more pack. And then call it at that. I don't want to test my luck today, so... This one, I feel like it's so much louder than the Nazgul. so much light. It screams. We'll go ahead and come in for a landing. This thing is like hitting my nose. Nice little rip. We're just exploring out, cruising. Alright, I'm gonna change packs. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and push the last pack here. Let's see. Now this is a 1200 tattoo battery. Higher C rating, so it should give me a little more, you know, juice. I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy because this frame that I'm pushing, the like prop guard area, it is broken. I crashed it, and the prop might push, you know, on the side of the prop guard. Man, I wish I had the Nazgul to come out here and like really rip. We gotta conserve this battery just a little bit. We kind of explored most of it, but yeah, concluding the video, guys. Let me know, what do you guys think this building could be? I vote apartment. It could be some type of commercial unit, because all out here is all commercial. Like, imagine you lived right here and you could walk and go get your Zaxby's, go get some gas, go get Dunkin' Donuts, get coffee in the morning. So I think it's residential, you know, housing. But I don't know. What do I know? Whoa. Little flippy floppy. Alright, we'll go back in one more time. I don't know how the camera's gonna be with the GoPro Bone, since I do have that ND filter on. It might be a little dark, so I am sorry for that if it is dark. But oh, I was gonna punch that, but I didn't see those little rail things right there. I got something in my hair. I'm gonna punch out real quick. But yeah, look at these clouds. It is about to pour. It's already raining over there. It is definitely raining over there. And that rain hopefully isn't going to come over here by the time I finish this video. Check these out. What do you guys call these? Man, there's something in my hair, bro. So I was parked right here, but I went ahead and moved over there. Wow. Just out here floating around. That was full throttle. It's so, I feel like this run is so cute coming from the Nazgul. I'm like, oh, that's so cute. You know what I mean? Because it's not like, I mean, it's definitely powerful. If you have like an Avata, this is an upgrade, definitely. In power and like all around. This thing can carry a full GoPro. Do I do that? No, but I've done it before. I prefer the bones on this. Maybe a 35. This is the Cinebot 30, the Cinelog 35, I think it's called. Might be better if you're looking to push a full GoPro. But yeah, y'all, just out here cruising around. Oh, there's stairs right there. Okay, that's how you get up to the second floor. We'll go ahead. We are gonna have to land soon. Keep that in mind. And it is starting to rain. Look at this. This is like so cool. I'm at least go outside because I have to land. Don't want to have to walk in there. Here we are. So I'll come out here, cruise around for the last little bit. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this. I'm out here. I thought this would be a cool little spot to come out and rip around. I've never been here. At least with the drone. I pass this spot whenever I come out here to eat, and I was like, man, I had my drone, and I was like, let's make a quick little video. Look at these clouds. This just looks insane. I feel like that would be a better thumbnail. I'm such a thumbnail whore. Let's see if I can get this without it looking too crazy. Oh, that's perfect. I feel like that's a perfect thumbnail right there. Alright, we are going to land, guys. Man, this was fun. Because 1, it's raining, and 2, I'm low on battery. Oh yeah, we definitely got landing, like 21.2. Sorry, battery. Oh, man. Back to reality. Alright, guys, while I am literally unpacking, literally just landed 2 seconds ago. Rain is coming. I don't know if you guys can hear it or see it, but it is starting to drizzle here. So I'm going to go ahead and call that. Hopefully you guys like this video. Literally out here just exploring this abandoned building. Pretty interesting, I feel. Definitely do want to come back here with, I say, like the 5-inch and rip around a little bit harder, because couldn't really do too much with this. This thing definitely still rips. Don't let it fool you. But the 5-inch, I feel like, would be a little better for this situation. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and pack up because the rain is definitely coming, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.